Your money is in serious danger. The system is crashing. This is out of control. Watch this right now. Watch this right now.
The United States is officially locked in a fiscal doom loop, and most Americans have no idea how fast it's speeding up. Interest on our national debt just blew past $1 trillion a year, costing us more than our entire defense budget. To pay for it, the Treasury is issuing massive waves of new debt, spiking interest rates, and trapping us in a cycle of sticky inflation and impending tax hikes. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact mechanics of this doom loop and show you precisely what to do and how to do it, step by step, so your hard-earned wealth doesn't get wiped out. Part 2. What is the US doom loop? Let's start with what's actually happening under the hood of the US economy right now. A doom loop occurs when a government's temporary remedies for its debt problems actually make those debt problems worse over time. Here is the four-step cycle unfolding in America today. 1. Uncontrolled deficits. The federal government spends trillions more than it collects in revenue. 2. Flooding the market. To cover the shortfall, the US Treasury issues record-breaking amounts of new bonds. 3. Yield spikes. When you flood the market with bond supply, buyers demand higher interest rates to take on the risk. 4. The interest expense trap. Higher yields mean the cost to service our existing debt explodes. Right now, US interest payments are compounding faster than almost any other budget item. This forces Washington into a corner. They must either print money to dilute the debt, causing inflation, or raise taxes on everyday investors to close the deficit. As Warren Buffett famously warned, when the tide goes out, you discover who's been swimming naked. High interest rates are pulling the tide out on the US economy, exposing massive stress in regional banking, commercial real estate, and government solvency. Part 3. The Fed, inflation, and the tax trap. Why can't the Federal Reserve just step in and save the day? Because the Fed is trapped. If they cut rates too quickly, inflation reignites, destroying your purchasing power. If they keep rates high, government borrowing costs keep compounding, and banks holding low-yield debt get squeezed. This creates a two-pronged threat to your money: a hidden inflation tax on cash, and direct tax code changes coming down the road as tax provisions expire and rates rise. Leaving your wealth on autopilot in a standard bank account or generic portfolio is no longer a safe option. Part 4. Step-by-step playbook tax shielding. Let's move into solutions. Phase 1 of surviving the doom loop is aggressive tax shielding. Every dollar you save in taxes is a 100% risk-free return on your investment. Strategy 1. Lock in tax-free growth with a Roth IRA. What to do? Move as much of your investment capital as possible out of taxable accounts and into tax-free growth accounts before tax rates rise. How to do it? 1. Open a Roth IRA through a brokerage like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. 2. If your income exceeds the IRS limits, execute a backdoor Roth IRA, contribute non-deductible money to a traditional IRA, then immediately convert it to a Roth. 3. If offered by your employer, activate the Roth 401k option in your workplace plan instead of a traditional pre-tax 401k. Strategy 2. Max out a triple tax-advantaged HSA. What to do? Treat a health savings account, HSA, as a long-term retirement bucket rather than just a healthcare slush fund. How to do it? 1. Enroll in an HSA-eligible high-deductible health plan, HDHP. 2. Set up automated payroll contributions to hit the annual limit. 3. Crucial step. Inside your HSA portal, move your balance out of cash and invest it in low-cost index funds. Pay current medical bills out of pocket if you can, save the receipts, and let your HSA grow tax-free indefinitely. Part 5. Step-by-step playbook. Cash and fixed income Phase 2 is fixing your liquidity. Leaving cash in a traditional brick-and-mortar bank, paying 0.01%, guarantees that inflation will erode your wealth. Strategy 1. Optimize your cash reserves. What to do? Earn maximum yield on your emergency fund with zero lockup or credit risk. How to do it? 1. Move 3 to 6 months of living expenses into a FDIC-insured high-yield savings account, HISA, or a SIPC-insured Treasury money market fund, like Vanguard's VMFXX or Fidelity's SPACs. 2. For cash you won't need for 3 to 12 months, buy U.S. Treasury bills, T-bills, directly through treasurydirect.gov or your brokerage. They offer competitive, state tax-free yields. Strategy 2. Avoid duration risk. In bonds, what to do? Ditch long-term bond funds, 20-plus year treasuries, that lose principal value when market interest rates fluctuate. How to do it? 1. Check your portfolio's bond funds, like AGG or TLT, for their average duration. 2. Shift fixed income allocation into short-duration bond ETFs, 0 to 2-year duration, or ultra-short Treasury ETFs, like BIL or SGOV, to collect yield while insulating your principal. Part 6. Step-by-step playbook equity and real assets. Phase 3 is positioning your core growth assets to outrun currency devaluation. Strategy 1. Pivot to pricing power stocks. What to do? Shift equity exposure toward companies that sell non-negotiable products and can raise prices without losing customers during high inflation periods. How to do it? 1. Allocate a portion of your stock portfolio to consumer staples, utilities, and healthcare sectors. 2. Filter for dividend aristocrats companies that have raised their dividend payout for 25-plus consecutive years and carry low debt-to-equity ratios. 3. Look at broad value-oriented ETFs like SHAD, Schwab US Dividend Equity, or XLP, Consumer Staples Select Sector SPDR. Strategy 2. Own real assets and hedge debt. What to do? Anchor a segment of your wealth in tangible assets that cannot be printed by a central bank and lock in low, long-term borrowing costs. How to do it? 1. Precious metals and energy. Keep a 5 to 10% allocation in real asset hedges using broad commodity ETFs, physical gold, silver, or energy producer funds like XLE. 2. Debt management. Do not pay down long-term fixed-rate mortgages below 4% aggressively when inflation runs high. Instead, place excess cash into yield-generating assets, earning higher net returns. To summarize your doom loop survival checklist: 1. Tax shield. Max out Roth IRAs, Roth 401ks, and invest your HSA balance. 2. Yield optimize cash. Move idle funds into HYSAs, money market funds, or short T-bills. 3. Rebalance equities. Favor value, high pricing power businesses, and real asset hedges over speculative tech or high-duration bonds. You can't stop Washington from increasing the national debt, but you can build a personal system that insulates your family from the outcome. If this step-by-step guide brought you value, hit the subscribe button. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.